Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, My Moon. If you're feeling fed up with life, absolutely fed up, frustrated, angry, fearful, shameful, guilty, hungry, tired, depressed, or perhaps even joyful, know that you're not alone and that it's okay. We're going to take some deep breaths together, see if we can release some of this stress, some of this scarcity mindset, these self-limiting beliefs, come back into love and trust in the unfolding of life. Come back to the beauty of life and the blessings that is already here. Finding a comfortable position where you can be upright, aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat, aware of your surroundings, aware of how you feel. Letting the eyes gently close. Bringing your awareness inwards. You're safe to close the eyes and look in. Taking a deep breath. Exhale. Breathing in. Exhale. Breathing in. Exhale. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhaling, exhaling, letting go, releasing. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing your belly. Relaxing your heart, relaxing your mind, not minding the mind. Letting the mind be totally free to think. If you've been wanting to think, simply let your mind think. freeing your heart. Let your heart feel whatever it wants to feel as you go beyond. And letting go of thoughts, coming back into your body, aware of your posture, aware of how you feel. Relaxing the belly, relaxing the face. Bringing a smile to your heart, to your mind. I want you to imagine that literally your mind is smiling, that your heart is smiling. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale, letting go. The color for today is orange. The number is 30. And the animal is a bull. Coming back into presence, to awareness that goes beyond the anxieties, the fears, the shame, the self-deprecation, always being so hard on ourselves, right? But what is aware of that inner critic? How do you know you're being hard on yourself? What is that awareness which observes all of this criticism inside? And can you step away from the criticism and just come into that awareness? Aware of your thoughts, aware of your body, aware of this present moment, aware of awareness itself. So take a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. I thank you for joining me today across time and space. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you well on your path. Wishing you awareness of that which goes beyond the pain. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.